Comprehension letters. Which is the ninth letter to the right side of the third letter, which is on the left side of the 16th letter from the last of the given series. We have to work from the end. Which is the 16th letter from the last? It is J. Which is the third letter which is on the left side of J? It's G. Which is on the ninth letter on the right side from G is position P. That is the correct answer. Option 2, P. Position number of which letters in the given options does not represent a prime number? The series is given below. So let's check W, which is position 23. Q is at position 17, which is prime again. I is at position 9, which is not prime. And B is at position 2, which is prime. So the correct answer is option 3, I. Serial number of certain letters is a perfect square. Then, on which side and position of the greatest even perfect square lies the middlemost letter? The series is given below. So let's label all the perfect squares. A is at position 1, D is at position 4, so it's a perfect square of 2. I is at position 9, which is a perfect square of 3. P is 16, perfect square of 4. Y is at 25, a perfect square of 5. Now let's look at which is the middlemost letter. We see that it is M. Now, on which side and position is the greatest even perfect square next to the middlemost letter? It's P. Now look at the question carefully. On which side and position of the greatest even perfect square lies the middlemost letter? So, where does M lie with respect to P? It is third place on the left. So, the correct answer is option 4. Don't get confused. Read the question properly. By taking the first and fifth letter of each group of the alphabet series, a new series is formed. Which two letters will come in the middle? The series is given below. Let's take the first and the fifth letter from the given series. So it's AE, FJ, KO, PT, and UY. Let's write it down. Now, which are the middle two letters? They are KO. So the correct answer is option 2. What is the 17th letter from the right end of the sequence formed by putting the letters before P after Y? The series is given below. Let's look at what we get by putting the letters before P after Y. So the letters before P are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Now the new series formed is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Now which is the 17th letter from the right end of the sequence? It is X. That is the correct answer, option 2. Interchange the place of the first and the third group and the second and the fifth group in the alphabet series. Which is the letter at the sixth place to one of the sides of the letter P but is not adjacent to F? This is the given series. So let's interchange the place of the first and the third group first. We get this series. And then let's exchange the second and the fifth group. And then we get this series. Now, which is the letter at the sixth place to one of the sides of the letter P? So here is P and it's sixth place to one of the sides but is not adjacent to F. So what is not adjacent to F? It's Y. So the correct answer is option 3, Y. In each group, the middle letter is removed and a new series is formed. What is the 17th letter from the last? So let's remove the middle letter from each group. So you cancel out C, H, M, R and W. Which is the 17th letter from the last now? We have the 4th letter, which is U, 8th is P, 12th is K, F is 16th, so E. The correct answer is option 3, E. What will be the sum of serial numbers of all the middlemost letters of each group? So let's look at the middle letters. So C, H, M, R and W are the middle letters. Their series is 3, 8, 13, 18 and 23. Let's add these up. We get the number 65. So the correct answer is option 3, 65. Which letters in the alphabet series have thrice the serial number of a square number? So identify the square numbers. It's A, D, I, P and Y, as the letters are in the perfect square number positions. So let's look at the identified square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Now let's look at position 1, which is A. So multiply position 1 into 3, which is 3, so we get the letter C. Similarly, for the letter D, we have position 4. We multiply that by 3 to get 12. Which letter is at position 12? It's the letter L. Now let's move on to the next number, which is 9 for the letter I. 9 into 3 is 27, but we have only 26 letters in the alphabet series. So 27 has no letter associated with it. So the correct answer is option 2, C and L. Moving on to the next question. The number of letters between which two letters is 5 times the number of letters between F and J? The series is given below. Letters between F and J are 3. 5 times that is 15. Now we have to find letters between for each option. So C and R is 14. D and S is 14. K and Y, the difference is 13. C and S, the difference is 15. So that is the correct answer. Write the initial 3 letters of each group in reverse order. Which is the 16th letter in the new sequence? The series is given below. Now let's write the groups in reverse order. So we get this. Now, which is the 16th letter in the new sequence? It's R. So the correct answer is R.